Some people claim Israel is occupying Palestinian land. Is there a basis in international law for Palestinian ownership of this land? Let's examine this question from a historical context. First, there has never been a Palestinian state of any kind, ever, at any point in history. There has been a region known as Palestine since 134 AD, when the Romans gave that name to the land that had previously been known as Judea, that is, land of the Jews. Palestine was only the name of a region, never of a people or a nation. By the beginning of the 20th century, the Ottoman Empire had sovereignty over the territory that is now Israel and the allegedly occupied land as well. In the early 1920s, just before the empire fell, it gave control of Palestine and the land that came to be known as Transjordan, and now as the country of Jordan, to the League of Nations. On 24 July 1922, the League granted administrative control over these territories to Great Britain with specific instructions to create a national home for the Jewish people. The British immediately turned 77% of this land over to the Arabs to create Jordan, while remaining generally committed to establishing a Jewish national home in the remainder. This was known as the Mandate for Palestine, and it did not create a Palestinian state that some say predated Israel. This British territory had been explicitly set aside for Jewish settlement. In fact, 9 years before the founding of the modern State of Israel, a 1939 flag of Palestine sported a Star of David. When the State of Israel was founded in 1948, it immediately had to start fighting for its survival against the surrounding Arab nations that had sworn to destroy it. Then came to actual occupations, in which Egypt occupied Gaza, and Jordan occupied Judea and Samaria, which it renamed the West Bank. Israel won back those territories in the Six-Day War of 1967. The Israelis were ending illegal Arab occupations, not starting one. The only international law governing sovereignty over those territories at that time stipulated that they were to be part of a national home for the Jewish people. So from whom was the land stolen? Not from the Ottomans, who had ceded it to the League of Nations. Not from the League, which had granted administrative powers over it to the British. Not from the British, who only had it in order to help create a Jewish state there. And not from the Palestinians, who didn't even exist until the 1960s, when the KGB and Yasser Arafat bestowed Palestinian nationality on a group of Levantine Arabs to use as a rhetorical weapon against Israel. The fallacy that Israel is occupying Palestinian land was furthered in the 1990s by the Oslo Accords, to which Israel unwisely acceded. They agreed to work toward establishing a Palestinian state in the West Bank and Gaza, which quickly turned into more new bases for increased jihad attacks against a now diminished Jewish state. If a Palestinian state is ever created, it would be the first ever in the history of the world.